they're going to backtrack their ban on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Huh, that's good. That's why Bitcoin actually had a little move this morning. But how's everybody doing out there? Good morning, good morning. Morning, Waldo, bro. How you doing, man? What a day yesterday, huh? Whew, man. Ready for another fantastic trading day. Kind of don't know what to expect. We got a lot of important data still coming out this week. Oh wow, Quest Therapeutic hit 630 after hours last night, and then it just gave it all back up. Volumes at 2.68. Yeah, volume. We're getting a little bit of a move on Bitcoin this morning. That little India news is helping out. Yeah, India's in a backtrack, or they're backpedaling on their ban on some Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. The El Salvador president, that fool's killing it. How many did he buy? He bought another 100 on the other sell-off. I think they're chilling at 1,200 coins right now. What is ASM looking like? Just chilling at 14 cents still. Ooh, 66 cents on crawl, right? We didn't mean what we said. That's basically what they come out like. We're bad. My bad, bro. My bad. We were wrong. We didn't mean it. It's cool. We like Bitcoin. Motherfuckers. Like, what the hell? What do you mean? You can't just come out and be like, our bad, we were wrong. We didn't mean it. We didn't mean it. We were just playing around, bro. We were just playing around. You guys can't take a joke. I realize how many of the higher ups have invested in crypto, right? A lot of them, too. I gotta send out some little... What the hell was that? Oh, what the hell was that? My dog just throw something at me? Oh well. LGVN, a little bit on the downside this morning. Still not doing that bad though, but whew, man, that QLGN, that one got me good, bro. I got smacked over the head on that one. I'm probably just gonna cut losses today. I don't think that one's gonna recover. Ever since the share offering they did. Fuckers. Yeah, that share offering got me, dude. I was not expecting that. I mean, damn. They came out with it quick, though. They came out and hit it with that offering real fast. They're like, fuck it, we're going to come do a share offering immediately. So, yeah, that's what happened with the QLGM play. It just got smacked by an offering. A pretty big offering, too. Shit. It wasn't even little. It wasn't even a little offering, motherfuckers. Greedy bastards could have just waited a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. But, I mean, then again, I mean, you look at the chart, you can see they've done so many offerings over the years already. I would think I was actually talking about it yesterday. Yeah, I was talking about how many offerings they've already had. I should have seen it coming, but hell, you know. It's a good little learning experience. Fucking motherfuckers, no. But, hey, I'm still in it, though. I'm still in it. You know, I'll probably take the hit today, though. Hey, I lost $1 on that one. Real quick, dude. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. We got Janet Yellen and Jay Powell are supposed to be speaking live today. Probably won't catch that. I will be listening to that one. Oh, look at Shiba Inu. Didn't Shiba Inu just get listed on something else? Yeah. Damn. It's up 15%. I think it's up more than that, though. Yeah, Shiba Inu's up 32% right now. It's killing it. They got listed on Kraken. That's where they're at. They're not fuck Kraken, though. I don't like Kraken. But it's cool they're on Kraken. It's good for the Kraken guys over there to be able to get it. But I don't like Kraken no more. Quest Therapeutic not doing a whole lot this morning. What do we got? Pre-market movers. Anything? Twitter's still getting kind of smacked around. Yeah, investors aren't happy with Twitter. They said Jack Dorsey's been sucking ass over there. Let's see who else is moving here. Ouch. Let's see, pre-market. We got TXGT's a loser. OLMA. Damn, that's the one I was looking at yesterday, wasn't it? OLMA. There's not really any big headlines coming out right now. Not really. Huh. Nvidia's moving right now. CCL. Damn, why is Greece still popping up for it? Yeah, that OLMA one I was looking at yesterday. This is the one that was halted. This is that breast cancer pharmaceutical company right here. But damn, they did not like that shit. They got smacked out the door. Gotta be very careful with these biotech pharmaceutical plays. Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't jump in on OLMA when I did. When I wanted to. PTPI, that one's still moving too. PTPI, that one's actually on the downside. Whew, man. Wow. And none of these pharmaceutical plays are just getting smacked. Good time to load up, maybe. Fuck, I don't know. I'm gonna be careful with it though. I'm only gonna stay in the couple that I'm in. Huh. That's fucking weird. Huh. There we go. Quest Therapeutics getting a little bit. What are we back up 624? We did have who is it? Seeking Alpha speaking about Alquesta Therapeutic yesterday. I didn't really go through the whole, I mean, because I already kind of, we're already pretty bullish on the rest of the year for them anyways. For the PDUFA. Fucking PDUFA plays, bro. PDUFA plays, bro. Love it. But I mean, they've been killing it this year. The PDUFA ones have just been going wild compared to last year. I mean, last year there really wasn't that big run-ups on the PDUFA plays. Solid's back down to 53. AWS is expanding offerings. Let's see what travel stocks are up to right now. CCL is not doing too bad. How about American AAL? AAL is not doing that bad. How about Boeing? I know Boeing was supposed to have that other plane supposed to be ready to go. Ah, damn. Boeing 198. Boeing's still been struggling ever since the pandemic. It never really did make it back up to pre-pandemic levels. I mean, Boeing still could be considered a lagger. $279K on the volume there. Come on, Quest Therapeutic. Where's all the volume at, huh? What's going on, Stock Raider? How you doing, bro? Hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday. Ready for another wonderful trading day. Quest Therapeutic going to $7 today. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, I don't know. November's almost over. Maybe December. It's looking pretty good, though, pre-market. I mean, it has been doing this, though, for the past few days in pre-market. It's actually been a little bit more active during pre-markets and the extended hours. A little bit more activity in those hours. We're getting there, bro. We're getting there. I'm loading up. Fuck yeah, Stock Raider. Hey, This is the one right here. I'll load up on it. Because, I mean, now they're talking about the PDUFA play for Requested Therapeutic. I mean, that's what all these other little run-ups are. All these other little run-ups on LGVN and fucking all these other pharmaceutical therapeutic plays are all about a PDUFA. That's the same thing we've been waiting for, the PDUFA, which comes out on the 23rd of December. Once that hits, then we'll see what the fuck the PDUFA is going to do for us. It's looking very bullish. I mean, we know it's been bullish. The rest of the year is going to be very bullish for us. But now we have other people talking about it. So it's finally getting a little bit more coverage. It'll take a little bit of time. But the good thing with Requested Therapeutic is it hasn't even had an IPO breakout yet. So, like, once we get back to IPO prices, the possibility for an IPO breakout plus the run-up from the PDUFA is there. But we will see what happens. It's going to be very, very interesting the rest of the next, like, 4 weeks. Because, I mean, the year's already over. We only got 4 weeks left of this year. You know, I mean, we're going to get the PDUFA results in 3 weeks. So it's going to be good. It's going to be good, Stock Raider. But, yeah, definitely be loading up right now. I mean, I want it under $6. If it hits under $6, I'm going to buy more. But it didn't hit under $6 yesterday. What do we got here? XOM. XOM got clapped. XOM. Let's see what XOM will do. Yep. The market is freaking out. Omicron virus is really scaring everybody. It's really freaking some people out, though. I mean, that's the only thing that I ever said would probably be able to, you know, freak this market out, which was the coronavirus. I didn't really think, you know, the debt ceiling could do something too, though. But tapering was going to cause that big of a taper tantrum, you know. But yeah, we're going to get a lot of headlines today. And Jay Powell speaks today, and Ms. Yellen. So there's a lot. They're going to be talking about economic data, so a lot of shit coming out today. A lot of confusion. So it could set up for a good opportunity to buy some shit on a discount. And we got Aminogen Soars as pivotal or whatever the hell notice of allowance issued. Neck inverse. TG Therapeutic drops on as FDA sets to look at their PDUFA date. Bitcoin self-miner. Biotech pharma catalyst calendar. Biotech pharmaceutical catalyst calendars hitting. Let's see, who do they got on there? Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Ford set to sell more EVs than GM, they're saying. Yeah, they got a lot of biosciences and a lot of pharmaceutical therapeutical companies are doing offering. What the fuck are they doing? A pricing of $15 million for Nero? Is that one I was looking at? No, that was Beyond Springs was the one I was looking at. Let's see. Who else? Oh, let's see who's slipping. Our chain and ho, the arrow has already been on the string. It's a lot smaller than what we saw on Friday, so it shouldn't be too much overreaction, but there will be some. Budweiser launches 1,936 NFT cans. Bud theme marketplace gets bogged down with traffic. Moderna's top executive reiterated that the Omicron virus is giving us some difficulties. What? That's not good. We don't want to hear about them giving fucking vaccine companies difficulties. It lost effectiveness. Whoa. Vaccine reformulation. Vaccine reformulation, bro. They got it. What's going on, Pop? Don't worry, bro. We got it. Vaccine reformulation. What the hell? They said, don't worry. We don't care what Moderna said. Moderna said they're having problems with it. They're a little little iffy about it, but everybody else said, nah, reformulation. We got it. Whatever. Quest Therapeutic to $7, I hope, right? Today would be nice to hit $7. I mean, it's not too far-fetched to think that it could hit $7 this week. I mean, remember, the BDUFA's coming out. We got Seeking Alpha talking about the BDUFA date, which is the 23rd. I mean, it's starting. It's just taking a little bit longer. Jim Cramer wants vaccines mandates. Yeah, he sure is pushing it. Yeah, but first they got to go in there and reformulate it, and then they're good to go. That's what they were saying. Pfizer was like, nah, we just got to come in and mess around with the formulation, and we're good, bro. They're like, we're good. We don't care what Moderna's saying. The Oxford University has said that there was no evidence that COVID-19 vaccines would not prevent severe disease from the new strain. Exactly. Just got to pass that 640. Yeah, we got to get by that 640. Oh, they're talking about government shutdown again. Yeah, oh shit, it's Friday already, huh? Or this Friday. It's going to be this Friday already. Yeah, because we got this gap down right here, this little gap down right here. We got this big gap down back in 2019. There's a lot of gap downs in this area. AMC is issuing NFTs for the new Spider-Man 2 NFTs going mainstream real fast. Fuck yeah, that's good. That's going to help out the whole cryptocurrency. It's awesome. 622, what are we looking like on volume over here? Still under 3K in the... I mean, like I've been saying, we've been getting a little bit more activity in our pre-market and after hours over here. Like, usually we didn't see any movements in pre-market after hours. Now we're actually starting to get a little bit more movement. Oh, man. China's still fucking around with Didi. They're still fucking with Didi. They just leave Didi alone. I don't know. Boeing might be a good play to fuck around with Boeing. Maybe. Let's see. I don't know. If Boeing comes back down on this 191, I might buy some Boeing. Because I think Boeing's a lagger right now. It hasn't really recovered back to pre-pandemic levels. This was the pandemic. It killed it. No, it didn't kill it, but it got fucked up, basically. But yeah, I think Boeing could be a good winner here. But I mean, if they can only keep their planes in the air, I kind of want to grab Boeing though at 190. 190, 191 might be a good spot for Boeing. Just gotta wait though. I don't know. I'm not too fond of them though, because they can't even get the spaceship shit going. 84 shares, APDN. APDN's another little DNA science company that's making a little run. Cybertruck, they're gonna give an update in general pretty soon. Fucking Tesla's still doing good though. House prices today at 9 a.m. That's another number we'll be looking at. Ah, damn, Tesla's killing it right now. ISPC. ISPC, what are they up to? I didn't grab any ISPC last week. Or yesterday, I didn't. Yeah, we need to get above this 640 on a Questa Therapeutic. Half of UK businesses expect to rise prices in the next year. Twitter bans sharing images or videos of private individuals without their consent. Just one day after former... What the hell? Says beginning Tuesday. Yeah, Twitter said beginning Tuesday will not allow sharing of private media such as images or videos. Oh shit! Wow, that's actually legit. Omnicore is very infectious but weak. The fuck does that even? Okay, so it infects you, but it doesn't really infect you that bad. Let's see what car is doing. What's that? A little run up. Damn it. PTN. That's what I was gonna look at. No. Oh, I'm not fucking around with that one. All right, we got about 7 minutes till the bell. Oh, where's Coin at, actually? I want to look at Coin. Coin, not too bad on Coin. Coin's doing pretty strong right now. Ever since they broke above that 300, it's been just kicking ass. Still has a long way to go, though. I mean, I'm surprised we didn't hit this 429 area on Coinbase. Damn. Manscaped Holding, that's a SPAC coming out. That's fucking great. Hey, let me see. Sony to gift NFTs to Spider-Man No Way Home advanced opening ticket buyers. Wow, dude, they're going wild with these NFTs, bro. They're just throwing it out everywhere. AMC's promoting these Spider-Man NFTs as eco-friendly. This means that the chain is which they are issued and energy efficient. The NFT will be issued on the top of the Wax blockchain, which claims to be carbon neutral. Wax is an NFT decentralized blockchain that eases the way. Oh, at least they're making it, you know, sound green and shit. That's cute. Oh, what are they saying about XRP? Kevin O'Leary on SEC versus Ripple lawsuit over XRP. I have zero interest in investing in. Oh, is that what you're gonna say, Larry? I still like XRP. I think XRP. I mean, I think they got that lawsuit in the bag. CRXT. Let's see. Where's CXRT? CXRT. CXRT. That one's. Where's the SPY at right now? Oh, wow, we got a big. Whew, wait a minute. This fucking guy. Oh, man. These motherfuckers over here. LGVN, we're a positive in the pre-market. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. that dude's a fucking hack job. Oh, that dude's CDC expands booster recommendations. Oh man, another recommendation for a booster shot. It's good. Yeah, Janet Yellen and Powell, they're supposed to be speaking at what, 7 a.m.? No, they're lying. 32 minutes. Yeah, they are. They're going to be speaking at 7 a.m. Huh. I will be listening to that. I want to see what they got to say. They're talking about banking comments and just the way the whole economy's where it stands right now. FWBI, that's the other one that's popping right now. FWBI. Wow. That one's actually doing phenomenal right now. Be careful with that one, though. Yeah, this one's had a couple. Man, all the way from 56 just straight to the downside, huh? If Roblox can take out 130, I don't think shit's going to stop Roblo. It's just going to run. Oh, that shit's too funny over here. Inflation to fall to 3% despite omnicorn risk. That'll be good. Who do we got? Earnings? We got some earnings coming out. Oh, JP Morgan's finally trying to break out, it looks like. I mean, I'm going to have to start grabbing more JP Morgan. I just want it to come down significantly more, though. I want JP Morgan at 155, maybe 150. Biotech news. Who biotech news? Chinese developer Kaza seeks to extend maturity of debt as payment looms next week. Yeah, they got a lot of debt they got to pay next week. Amazon. What's Amazon doing right now? Oh, wow. Amazon's actually doing pretty good. Oh, Black Friday, Cyber Monday bullshit, huh? That's what everybody's talking about. Woo! Volatility's supposed to widen out. COVID pill play, ADMP. ADMP, that's another pharmaceutical company. Oh, man, pharmaceuticals are just popping up left and right everywhere. All right, we got less than 1 minute. Two, one, there it is. LGVN, woo, 2611. I don't want to look at this one. Let's get this one out of here. Amazon, Questa Therapeutic, not moving yet. Marathon is, oh yeah, Marathon's making a move for it. Roblo, come on, Roblo, you gotta hit 130. 130 before shit to get running. There goes Marathon. AMC is coming straight down a little bit. It's giving up what it made this pre-market. Hell yeah, there goes LGVN straight down too. Questa Therapeutic, what do we look like on volume? 10K in the first 1 minute. Right at VWAP on a Questa Therapeutic. Let's see, what's TLT doing? I mean, the UVXY is getting a little bit. I mean, damn, the UVXY is still at $18. And damn, LGVN's at 25.6. Roblox is coming up, though. Come on, Roblo. You can do it. AMC's trying to come back up. Oh. AMC's getting a big candle right there on AMC. Oh, never mind. They're pushing it back down. Yeah, I'm pretty sure ROBLO's going to hit 130 and it's going to gas it today. Especially with the market not looking so hot. CRM does have earnings. Well, you know what? I got to get out that one right there, bro. Coinbase is going to be doing well. Ford is at 1977. Wow, I didn't realize the VIX went to $25, dude. The VIX at 25? Woo! Wow. JP Morgan, where's JP Morgan? 159. There goes Ford. God damn, Roblox just got smacked. That's a big candle on Roblo. Actually, where is Snapchat at? Snap's at 49.33. I think the CEO with Jack Dorsey stepping down from Snap should do Snapchat pretty well. I mean, like I said, investors aren't really happy with Jack Dorsey being the CEO. He really hasn't done too much for your Twitter. I mean, Twitter hasn't done much. I mean, Twitter could be a good play. We'll just see what the new CEO has planned for him. Oh, there we go. LGVM back up 26.9, about 27 cents, $27. Come on, LGVN. Bust through the 27. Oh, Apple's positive right now, huh? First 3 minutes, we got 21K on Aquesta Therapeutic. All right, we're getting a little bit more volume in there. Come on, LGVN. It's going to be like a biotech day today. Roblo. There we go. Look at Roblo. 129.99. There it is. 130. 130.13. There we go. Roblo's moving it now. Come on, Roblo. Get to the 131. Hold. Come on, Roblo. LGVN is trying to hold up. There we go. 130.78. And we get a 131. QLGN went up to 160. We got a little, I mean, I'm still holding it. I'm still hopeful. 131.31 on a Roblo. It's a new day high. Fucking Roblo. I love it. Amazon's moving it too right now. Let's see what SoFi's up to. Come on. LGVN's looking pretty strong right now. Roblox is definitely being a winner, being up 2%. There we go. QLGN. I'm going to get a little bit of volume in the QLGN. I mean, hell, I'm going to sell out at about, I'm just trying to try to get my money back. If it can get to $2.50, hell, if it can get to $2, I'll probably sell half of it. I'll just take the hit on the chin. I don't care. Roblo 132. Strong. Oil countdown with 48 hours to OPEC meeting. Woo, yeah. Yeah, we're going to see what OPEC says. They're going to just say open the floodgates. 132. Roblo hit 132, another day high. AMC's down to 36.73. 31. It's about there 32 right now. Look at, you remember how I said yesterday how like Roblox does good when the market is coming down? Like that's usually when Robo shines. LGVN came right back down to VWAP. Damn, LGVN is woo. Let me see. I'm gonna have to sell something. I'm gonna have to sell something real quick. This LGVN, I don't like it. Definitely do not like it. I'm gonna just sell a little bit. $578. I don't know. I mean, it looks like it wants to come back up to the upside on QLGN. I just don't see it happening, especially with that offering. I do not see it with the offering. Yeah, I gotta sell it all. You know what? I was gonna sell it all. Fuck it. Yeah, it's not gonna end well for that one. I just gotta take. Let me just take my hit on the chin and get the fuck out of there and be good. Let's go. Alright, I just jumped out of that QLGN bullshit play. It's cool. It happens though. It happens. I had a feeling they were gonna do a share offering, and the motherfuckers did it. The last 20 minutes of the trading day. What's going on, Lara? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. I have another order for Requested Therapeutic at 590. Roblox is at 133. Let's go, Roblo. Where's my contract sitting at right now? 105. These ones got to be worth $33, $32 right now. That's $3,200. Roblox is killing it. Nice. Wish I had more money to throw at it. Damn, I need Roblox to calm down. Once it comes back down to like 120, maybe 115, I'll buy more. But at 133, no. Yeah, we got about 20 minutes for Fed Pal to start speaking. All right, let's get rid of this one. I don't want to look at that one no more. AL. Southwest. No. Tech stocks are really moving right now. Let me see. Even Apple's doing pretty strong. You sold QLGN. I think that offering closes tomorrow. I'm not sure if they already sold everything. Yeah, I think it's tomorrow's when it closes. Cool, it's only $1 loss. I'm still up on LGVN about, what, $13, $16, about $14 a share still. Roblo's still killing it. So, I mean, the QLGN one, that was just nothing. Yeah, it happens. I mean, shit, I mean, I'm still the Roblox play. I'm still playing this one out for another, what, until the end of the next quarter. 53 days left for these contracts to expire. I mean, these ones shouldn't have no problem of making me at least another $3,000 per contract. Unless some shit happens. I mean, fuck, who knows? Roblo might just get clapped. I, for the love of God, ignore these educators. Just come huddle. CNTB, Supernova, step up. Just wait, drop. Liked and sub. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. You saw that Facebook will be officially changing ticker first quarter next year? Yeah. To the meta bullshit, whatever the hell it is. Roll blow. Come on, baby. I'd only be playing heavily oversold now, so that way the big players can still enter the size good. Thinkable market structure and liquidity. Nice. Which one is that one? CNTB? Bio plays. Hell yeah, bio plays are hot right now. Ooh, that one got smacked though, huh? Yeah, I did see that though, Waldo. I'm not really too sure what effect it's gonna have over there on it. I mean, not really much. I think they're just doing it, just trying to, you know, change the outlook of the whole company and jump in with the metaverse. I think Roblox is the winner though when it comes to the metaverse bullshit. Hype name, hype money. A lot of hype right now, especially with the bio plays. There's a lot. I mean, I was actually talking about biotechs, what, like 2-3 months ago, saying how everybody's going to start piling into those for 2022. Like a few months ago, I was talking about biotech, pharmaceutical, therapeutic plays, all of them. There was an article that came out a few months ago saying how people want to invest more in the biotech plays. Quest Therapeutic, what are we looking like on volume? 29, 30K in the first 44 minutes. It's funny though, because now everybody literally is jumping out there and running on to the next fucking, looking for the next bio play or pharmaceutical play or anything that has to do with any kind of, you know, pharmaceutical shit. Let's see. Janet Yellen, they're going to be speaking here in about 15 minutes. I'm going to be listening to them just to see what they got to say. I won't be putting it on live, though. Kind of interested to see what they got to say about the banks. I mean, because the banks have been just getting smacked. Yo, is Ethereum Classic? Hang on. Hang the fuck on. Where's Ethereum Classic at? No, it's not up. I don't know. They're tripping over here. Whoever the hell's talking about that one. They must be talking about Ethereum, not ETC. Oh, yeah, you just put up Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum's doing pretty strong right now. Quest Therapeutic is getting a little bit of downward pressure right here. It did come back under VWAP. Bought another 10 shares. Hell yeah. Quest Therapeutic holding up, bro. It's holding up good. Only a matter of time. I mean, like I just said, I mean, we have Seeking Alpha talking about the PDUFA date. I fucking love that word, the PDUFA. The PDUFA date. Okay, the PDUFA date. This is what everybody's hyped on about with LGVN right now. The PDUFA date that's supposed to come out. Actually, you know what? I lied. LGVN wasn't a PDUFA date. It was something else. But yeah, we'll start getting a lot more coverage on the Quest Therapeutic here, probably in the next month. I mean, as soon as this month's over and we're December, we'll start seeing more headlines talking about it. I mean, hell, we know we're very bullish on a Quest therapeutic, and now that we have, you know, Seeking Alpha talking about it, I mean, Seeking Alpha is actually a pretty big. I used to use Seeking Alpha a lot back a few years ago. I mean, they give you pretty good information, especially the one when you pay for it. It's just expensive as fuck. I stopped using it because it was just too expensive. They're definitely going to have more coverage. I mean, they're bullish on it. I mean, we've been bullish on it. I mean, they're talking about their Q3 beat. I mean, they beat the last 3 earnings. So, I mean, they're only talking about the last one. I mean, the last one, they did phenomenal on the last beat. I mean, then we got the 108 and the 109 ones that are coming out. That's the epilepsy. Yeah, they're expecting it to end on a bullish note by the end of the year. Yeah, definitely we'll get more coverage right there. Patients to the oral film medication is going to keep Aquested Therapeutic rising. Hell yeah, Laura, you got that right. That little oral one that they use. Yep, the closer we get to the PDUFA date, the more exciting things we'll get for Aquested Therapeutic. I mean, it's held up pretty well and gotten to $6 in the past few months with, you know, only an average of 519K volume. I mean, Nautilus. Wait a minute. I just saw Nautilus pop up. December 8th, there's another PDUFA date coming out for, that was that one I was playing yesterday. They were probably icing it out to more medications. Soon they're doing the Celsius deal. I bet many more will come. I bet a shitload more are going to come. Because, I mean, with the COVID shit, people are going to be more, like they've been saying, they're more interested in biotech and pharmaceutical plays. They're more interested in health. Damn, LGVN back down to 25.30. That's a low of the day. It's still holding up pretty solid on LGVN. I mean, they haven't said anything yet. They haven't came out and did no offering. The CEOs, they've been very, very quiet over there. But it only takes them to come out and say one wrong thing, and then LGVN is going to come straight back down to the downside. LGVN. Where's this? Damn, AMC's back down to 26. I mean, this is barely what, the first 20 minutes of the day? Whew, it felt like a lot longer than that, no? Looks like the NASDAQ is actually doing pretty strong right now. Dow Jones has still been just getting smacked. Cumberland? The fuck? The hell is this? Another pharma play. Another pharma play, bro. Pharma plays everywhere, bro. They're all over. It's getting like the pharma plays this year are really getting out of control. Like, I do not remember biotechs being this hot last year. Pharmaceutical therapeutics or any of them being this crazy. Not where so many people were piling into them. Fucking PDUFA plays, bro. PDUFA. AMD premiums are moving. Lee Auto's up at the high from yesterday. What? Oh wow, Lee Auto's actually doing pretty strong. What about XPEV? XPEV's at 53. Wow, XPEV is really doing strong right now. Neo? What about Neo? Damn, Neo. That's not even Neo. That's the wrong one. Neo's at 41.18. Neo still has a lot way to go, though, to get back up to the highs. Yeah, Aquesta Therapeutic back under VWAP again. What do we look like on the 1 day? No, it's still looking good. We may come back down and test this $5.95, $6 range, maybe. Oh man, 613. Damn, my microphone's in my way. My microphone's in the way. I can't see shit around that thing. Where's Crow doing right now? Crow's still chilling in his little range. Shiba's still on the top. Yeah, Shiba Inu's still at the top. I mean, they did just list on Kraken. Excuse me. Oh wow, LGVN 2461. It's getting smacked, and Roblo is printing right now. Damn. LGVN is just coming down. Woo, man, Roblo is gone, dude. Look at that, 134. I'm about to hit 135. Come on, Roblo. Apple's at 162. Yeah, Tech's doing really good right now. Where's Coinbase at? Coinbase is doing strong too. 227. That was a high of the day. They're at 226 right now. Keys statistic, volume. What we got? The first 30 minutes. Woo! Damn. We're getting a little downward pressure over there on a Aquesta. I think. Can I buy some contracts? Yeah, I'm still sitting on about 104 shares of LGVN. I start selling some of that shit right now. Just a little bit. Yeah, Roblo is gone. My guy. I should think about burning a contract here, but I don't want to, though. I mean, hell, it's too early to burn any contracts on Roblo. 53 days to go. Yeah, I'm just not even going to look at Roblo right now until it gets closer to my expiration date. Come back in a month. It's gonna make me tempted to end up selling it. Oh, I still got I still have J-Nug calls too. Oh, wait a minute. Yo, this new when Fed Powell speaks right now, he's gonna be talking about his new job, what they're changing and shit, because now they want the Fed Powell to be and more into global warming shit. Hang on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to listen to that. Actually, I gotta look at this. Watch. Look at this. Never mind. I mean, Roblo did pretty well through the whole, like, coronavirus little scare bullshit right here. Surprisingly how it's been holding up. The NASDAQ just went green. Alright, we'll have a green day today. We'll have a green day today. Text green, bro. Mac Attack, what's going on, bro? How you been? How you been? How you doing, man? Back up 3%. LOL, I might buy more. Of course, the therapeutic ASM is killing me. Oh, man. You and me both, man. You and me both. ASM has just been it's not doing what it needs to do. 13 cents. Ouch. I don't want to look at it. Still good, though. I'm still holding my ASM. I finally reached my 50,000 coins, and I'm going to hold on and see where it's going to go. I'll probably start selling a little bit once it starts, once it starts blowing up, I'll probably start selling small percentages of it. But until then, I'm just holding ASM. I'm going to wait till ASM to get to 25 cents and then maybe start trimming back on it. It needs to get back up to these highs. But yeah, ASM is killing it. It's killing me right now. It's killing me. We're back above VWAP, though. I think it's getting manipulated. It is, bro. It is. Like I said, you got some big dick whales over there that are just fucking around with the price. They've been keeping it at VWAP for quite a while right now. ASM has not been able to break away from VWAP. I mean, it's been under VWAP this whole time. It needs to break up above VWAP. They've been doing pretty good at keeping us under VWAP, man. Let us know when you start seeing ASM rise. I'll hop back in right then. Oh man, AMC's back at damn 35.67 on AMC. Whoa, what happened? The goal has been to keep it below 17. Yeah, they've been doing pretty good at it. Oh, AMC's making another low. Roblo's just like proving itself left and right, man. Definitely not buying any more ASM. Yeah, just get a number. Like I've said, I mean, you get a number of how many coins you want in your head to start out with, and then, you can start trimming away from it or holding the whole bag, selling the whole bag, you know what I mean? AMC to 27. AMC definitely is. It's coming down right now. It's at the 152-day moving average right here, which I've been. It's actually below the 152. I mean, but usually it does come a little bit below the 152. I mean, where it's at is kind of a key level of support. It's got a lot of support there. A lot of support, a lot of resistance, however you look at it. But I mean, it's basically back at this gap down there, gap up area. I thought, of course, the therapeutic would be higher, so I'm trying to add more while I can. Will be higher. Yeah, I think so too, Mac Attack. I think so too. If you didn't catch it, we did get an article out by Seeking Alpha is speaking about, of course, the therapeutic. This came out yesterday. They're saying it has a very bullish note for the end of the year. We all know that. They're talking about the PDUFA date, which is that FDA run-up we're expecting for the 23rd. That's what it's called. It's called the PDUFA. So they're finally speaking about Aquested Therapeutics epilepsy PDUFA date, which is what we've been speaking about and been anticipating for the past like 3-4 months now. There it is, the PDUFA date on December 23rd of this year. So we finally getting a little bit of exposure out there. Now we just got to wait for the market and everybody else to digest it and see what they want to do with it. See if they're going to jump in on board or what the hell's going to happen. But that's what we needed. We just needed coverage, a little bit of coverage. We're starting to get it, though. I mean, the fact that Seeking Alpha did it actually means, I think it says a lot that Seeking Alpha put it out. I used to use Seeking Alpha a lot. But they're too expensive, though. Is there any chance of a gamma squeeze? That's what the one thing I came across with the Aquested Therapeutic was people were talking about a gamma squeeze. The possibility is there. It's just we need more options to be acquired. But I don't want people to go after options unless they know how to fuck with them. Like, I don't try to tell people to buy options in here. because they're very, very risky. But in order for a gamma squeeze to happen, we need more call options. Only thing what I'm looking for the PDUFA squeeze, just like what some of these other biotechs are having. But the oh, wait a minute, hang on, we got FedPal speaking. Yo, where's FedPal at? Make sure this volume's not too loud.
Slight delay before you're displayed on the screen. Please click the mute button to minimize background noise. All of you've been through this before, so I don't think
need more volume in general, right? We definitely do need a lot more volume.
As usual. That is by seniority, the members who've checked in before the gavel came down, either in person or virtually. And then by seniority of members arriving later, alternate.
This should be fun to see how the market reacts, right? Shit, it goes at therapy to back down to 610.
Thanksgiving. I start with taking a moment to thank the workers who made that possible, many of whom didn't get the day off. Farm workers, grocery store workers, restaurant workers, auto workers, delivery workers, longshore workers, so many others who touch our lives.
Come on, FedPal. I don't want to listen to you, Mr. Brown. I don't want to listen to you, Mr. Brown. I just want to hear fucking J Powell and that bitch Janet Yellen got to say.
Under the Biden-Harris administration,
yo, SoFi got halted. Oh no, they're back at unchanged.
Every day, we created 5.6 million jobs.
SoFi back at unchanged.
Unemployment has dropped to 4.6%. Weekly unemployment claims dropped to under 200,000 last week, the lowest level not just since the pandemic began, but in over 50 years, since 1969. Of course, raw jobs numbers alone don't tell the whole story. They don't tell you how good the job is, what kind of wage it pays. And on that front, the news is even better. Workers are starting to finally get a little more power in our economy.
Oh yeah, there we go. This should be interesting.
And many turned around and cut hazard pay, if they ever offered it at all. And cut corners on.
Damn, LGVN made a new low of the day, 2360, bro. Not a bad time to buy. I keep buying above 620.
They can't make those record profits without someone to actually.
Yeah, I want it under 6. Anything under 6, I'm on it at 6. I'm on it at 6. Goddamn, LGVN, bro, what are you doing over there?
Wages are shrinking, benefits have no control over their schedules. Workers are standing up for themselves and for each other, and asking for their fair share of the profits they create.
Might just grab like 5 shares right now just to grab a little bit more bucket. Buy 5 more.
After his 5-week strike of John Deere, it was good for non-union employees too. This is typical, who get a bump in their pay too. For too long, corporate greed has kept paychecks down and prices up. Corporations cut costs at workers' expense to juice quarterly earnings numbers, even when they're already
LGVN 2372 is coming down a little bit more.
Stock buybacks, while arguing they can't afford to pay higher wages to anyone else or can't afford to lower prices.
Is it back at the 20? No, it's below that. Oh my God, it's going for 22.
Labor shortages and inflation fears Wall Street banks.
I'm gonna see if it hits 1934. I mean, I'm not gonna grab no more LGBN. That would just be stupid.
Above $3 trillion, $3,000 billion this year. The margins keep growing, and now.
Where's Wayfair at? 263.
Mega corporations.
Yeah, definitely not a bad time to buy some in there, especially with that PDUFA, with that PDUFA article out there talking about it. That's all we need right there.
The Biden administration is creating jobs and bringing down costs for families to build a resilient economy for the long run.
Who? Oh, the Biden man. I forgot. That's the guy that's running the show. Forgot about him.
Healthcare, prescription drugs, child care, preschool. The Democrats' agenda will bring down these costs. We passed the American Rescue Plan, which got shots in arms and money and profits, including the child tax credit, the largest tax cuts for workers.
SoFi is trying to make another run.
Help millions of families afford child care.
Yeah, LGVN just got smacked towards the end over there.
Families in Pittsburgh and Cleveland and Toledo and Philadelphia, 90% of
Spy a new high, dude. What?
$3,000 tax cut.
All right, momentum might start kicking up here right now with the SPY hitting the new high, and we have the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones are trying to come back up. Looks like they're liking what they're saying so far. I mean, it's not Jay Powell speaking, that's Mr. Brown.
And other household costs. Now
this is like the little pre-game prep. this is what he's doing right here, a little pre-prep talk. Congratulating them, saying, you know, this is just him blowing them real quick.
Disruptions and increased demand as our economy rebounds are causing higher prices.
I mean, they've done a pretty good job of. I mean, Jay Powell's fucking killed it through the whole coronavirus.
The more we get the virus under control and understand its variants, the faster we'll see these disruptions subside. We're already seeing some progress.
Coinbase is making another high of the day, 331. Apple is just taking off. Oh my God, there goes Coinbase, dude. It's really running right now. Coinbase is really gassing it.
U.S. supply chains. There's also an U.S. available. Corporations could lower their prices.
SoFi's moving it. The Chevron is not doing too good.
Buyback plans could be put on hold instead of raising costs for customers. Again, that's the choice they face. They could take a slightly smaller pay bump this year. They could cut back on their stock buyback plans, actually put them on hold instead of raising costs for consumers. There's no inexorable law that says profits for those of the
DG,
continue to rise and rise
TX.
in perpetuity, even at the expense of everyone.
This one has a cancer therapeutic drug that, oh wow, they got smacked.
I've had these conversations with Chair Powell and Secretary Yellen. They can get away with it because they have
Yeah, this TGT one. I have to look into this one and see what the hell's going on with TGT. They are back at the 152-day moving average right here. It actually blew right through that. That's at the 200-day moving average. That one on the watch list right there. That one might be a good play right there. That could be a good recovery play, maybe. Where's GameStop actually? GameStop is at 199. Everyone, please buy Prague now. $100 soon. Oh, I'm still in Prague. I haven't sold any yet. I haven't sold any Prague niggity yet. Woo, man, we hit 620 the other day though. That was the day before the whole fucking coronavirus sell-off scare bullshit. It's still doing good though. Prague niggity still doing good. It'll probably come back down and bounce off this 52-day moving average. Maybe the 152-day, and then it'll skyrocket again though. It just needs to stay with the green above. It needs to stay green, yellow, and red. $100 calls. Everybody with their $100 calls, right? I mean, let's make it to $10 first, and then we can call it the $100 call. Hello. But you know, I love your enthusiasm, Alan. I love it. Man, hell, if it makes it to $100, I got like 60 shares. You know, I'll be rich. I'll be rich. Wait a minute. Damn, they're like real. Yo, Janet Yellen and Jay Powell look real serious right now, bro. Like, they are just not happy. They are very serious in this fucking meeting. Man, I love the enthusiasm, bro. I love it, man. I love it. It's good. I mean, Prague's doing pretty good, though. I mean, hell, it's holding up, right? It did give up a lot, though. I can't believe it hit 620, though, dude. That's crazy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, Secretary Yellen, and Chairman Powell.
What was that other one? Funware? Funware. That one wasn't fun no more, though.
Despite our several disagreements, I look forward to supporting your confirmation. When the pandemic hit in 2020, Chairman Powell acted swiftly to stabilize financial markets.
He did act swiftly.
He also implemented a number of sensible regulatory reforms that helped us.
Oh yeah, Funware. This one got mollywopped.
Those who would criticize those efforts, I
it was fun for a little while. It was fun for a little while.
And our financial system experienced a very severe.
I can't believe Funway went all the way to $24, dude. That's crazy.
We came out of it with the best capitalized banking system in American history. While I support Chairman Powell's renomination, I'm very concerned about whom President Biden may nominate to fill other seats.
Oh, yeah, I'm concerned, too, with who the fuck he's going to appoint other chairs at, too. Yeah, yeah. Let's talk about this Biden guy.
Nominee to serve as the comptroller of the currency, the nation's top banking regulator.
Where's Tesla at? Tesla's at 161.
Exceptional qualifications and an appreciation for the Fed's narrow statutory role.
Mr. Toomey. I love Mr. Toomey. He's like, I'm concerned with fucking the president. Bought another 10 shares. I will keep so. Also sold ASM and Jasmine again.
Inflation is at a 31-year high. Just last month,
fuck
the
yeah,
consumer
me.
price index increased by 6.2% year over year. Price hikes are everywhere.
I went back down the wallets.
Thanksgiving meal, which rose by
I haven't even looked at ASM at the wallets for a while.
Has reached as high as $6 a gallon in some places. And inflation is a tax that's eroding Americans' paychecks every day. Even though wages are growing, inflation is growing faster.
A little bit.
Further behind.
This guy right here hasn't done nothing. He hasn't changed his position. He hasn't added. He's just been chilling right there. Same with number 3.
Decided to continue its really emergency monetary policy.
A lot of them trimming back though.
The inflationary fire long after the economic emergency has passed. Earlier this month, I was glad to see the Fed.
These ones haven't changed either. Yeah, those ones. There are a couple that haven't changed.
Quantitative easing should be used in emergencies.
One had 30 million coins last week, or 300 million coins last week.
In the second quarter of last year, but by the third quarter of 2020, it had largely recovered, and yet here we are in November 2021, and the Fed's still buying more than
LGVN. Are you coming back alive, LGVN? I might just sell a little bit more LGVN right now.
Should have started taking
maybe.
But instead, it's expected to continue buying bonds through next June. And on interest
I'm gonna
rates,
sell a little bit of LGVN right now.
the Fed is
I mean, I'm up about.
a wait and
I
see
doubled my
approach.
money still.
I
It's
am
doubled.
somewhat relieved that Chairman Powell has recently spoken about the heightened risk
Sell,
of higher
sell,
and
sell,
persistent
sell.
inflation and has indicated his determination to control it. Unfortunately, the Biden administration and many of our Democrat colleagues in Congress are
There we go. I just sold one of my LGVN. Fuck it. Let's get rid of it. Sold 10 more. MACD and RSI look decent for Crow. Wanted to see it troll up after this red Fed talk. 100%, man. I've been seeing that for the past month. Pure manipulation, right? That's all it is, bro. Manipulation over there. Manipulating the shit out of us.
Meant to distract from the fact that congressional Democrats' extremely liberal policies are contributing to the price hikes hitting Americans' wallets. Just take energy prices, for example. President Biden kicked off his presidency by taking measures to curb our nation's energy supply.
I don't know why it keeps taking off my fucking things over here.
A tremendous source of oil. He placed an indefinite ban on new oil and gas leases on federal land. Meanwhile, on the demand side, the administration
loved it for trading from 13 to 15. I didn't even know anyone was above 10%.
$1 trillion stimulus bill. It's no wonder then that Americans are seeing skyrocketing energy prices. When you decrease supply and then subsidize demand, prices go up. That's basic economics. Unfortunately, the administration has not learned its lesson.
Yeah, I'm not even worried about ASM. I'm too busy with Crow. ASM's gonna do what ASM does when it does it. If that makes any fucking sense.
The plan is a massive expansion of the welfare state, and it will partially be paid for.
Even XYO is kind of getting clobbered right now. Everybody's getting kind of clapped right now. I mean, it's not just one individual one. Everybody's kind of getting smacked around. I mean, yeah, you got, Shibo here at 50. I mean, it was at a lot more than that. You know what I mean?
Responsibilities that middle-income families have always assumed, including by providing free preschool, free paid leave, free child care, just to name a few.
Just to name a few, right, Mr. Toomey?
Hide the unprecedented enormity of this.
Yeah, it was good at 13.15. It was even better when I grabbed it at 9 cents, Waldo. It wasn't there for too long. I was hoping it was going to come back to 9 cents. Quested Therapeutic down at 6. Damn, we had 602 on a Quested Therapeutic. Woo!
Provisions are made permanent as the Democrats plan and hope.
Buying a Quested Therapeutic dropping now, right? Better go grab some. Can I grab any contracts? Shit, I can't.
Their misguided efforts to double down on the reckless spending that has contributed so much.
There we go. I grabbed like 8 shares.
In 31 years.
I got like 8.
I'll introduce today's witnesses. We will hear
just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Secretary Yellen, Federal Reserve Chair Powell, and their agency's continued actions to recover from the pandemic and build an
Unsettled cash, $653. Why the fuck do I have $653 of unsettled cash over here for?
And thank you for your testimony.
Oh, that's right. Fucking QLGN.
If you begin. Thank you.
QLGN, and then I sold fucking some of those contracts from last week. Now 312 total. Fuck yeah, Mac Attack. That's a good little position to start out with, especially being your very first stock to invest in. Like I said, Quest Therapeutics should do you pretty well. Should do you pretty well with this PDUFA date coming out, and plus they have a lot of other drugs going for them.
Congress is a large part of the reason why. Our economy
Janet Yellen. I love this bitch right here. I love this bitch right here.
Broadband networks for many years now, and I'm grateful that on the night of November 5th, members of both parties came together.
Fucking Janet Yellen. Let's see what she got.
Infrastructure package.
They're just tooting their horns. Just wait till we get volume, right? Like these other ones. That's all we need. We're missing just volume right now.
Because earlier that morning,
volume and more exposure.
A very favorable jobs report. 531,000 jobs added. It's never wise to make too much of one piece of economic data, but in this case, it was in addition to a mounting body of evidence that points to a clear conclusion. Our economic recovery is on track.
Oh yeah, I mean, we're still in a fucking very strong bull fucking run. I mean, this is like a 10-year long bull run. They're talking about this bull run going all the way to 2033 or some shit like that. I'm like, what? 2033? That's a long bull run.
And our economy is on pace to reach full employment.
Economics shit's crazy, right?
Faster than the Congressional Budget Office had estimated. Of course, the progress of our economy, of our economic recovery, can't be separated from our progress against the pandemic. And I know that we're all following.
To roll on, right? Just keep going. Like I've been telling everybody, like I mean, this pandemic shit ain't going away anytime soon. I mean, have cash on the side so you can buy the dips on the next fear, when the next fucking lockdown fear comes out or some shit. I mean, just have money there so you can buy the opportunities when the market gets clapped like this.
I'm confident that our recovery remains.
Quest Therapeutic goes live at the. Oh yeah, we have that Piper Sander event today. Thank you for reminding me, Pop. That is right. And I think on the from now to the 6th, I think that Piper conference thing goes on. So yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty good for Quest Therapeutic coming into December. December should be a very promising month. We just got to, get more coverage.
Or losing the roofs over their heads.
Piper Sander event is just one where they get together. They just talk about the drugs they have coming out and what they're anticipating and some shit like that.
Congress has enacted during the crisis. The CARES Act.
They get together with a bunch of different therapeutic and pharmaceutical companies.
And it's not just the passage of these laws that has made the difference, but their effect.
Hang on, I'm trying to get this shit up over here.
Treasury, as you know, was
the health conference of Quest Therapeutics is up today.
A large portion of the relief
the health conference, that's it.
By Congress and under those bills. During our last quarterly hearing, I spoke extensively about the state and local relief program, but I wanted to update you on some other measures.
Of course, the therapeutic back under $6. Better buy that shit up.
Child tax credit has been sent out every month since July, putting about $77 billion in the pockets.
No.
61 million children.
Yeah, Quest Therapeutic came back down under $5. Oh, it's under $5 still, but it grabs them quick immediately.
According to the Census Bureau, food insecurity among families with children dropped 24% after the July.
Hey, I grabbed another 80 shares.
Which is a profound economic.
All right, I got filled right there at $5.98.
Meanwhile,
Woo! Oh my God, it's back down to $5.97 though.
Significantly expanded.
Okay, I got filled at $5.98. I'm gonna grab a little bit more if it comes back down to $5.90. If it tests $5.90, I'm gonna grab like another maybe 100 shares. I should have waited till today. I took my QLG profits and bought right in. Oh, you put your profits in it right away yesterday, bro? I mean, hell, at least there were profits. Those good. Woo, damn. LGVN just got smacked. I just sold another 40 shares of LGVN. Just threw it into a Quest Therapeutic.
As consequential as November was, December promises to be more so. There are 2 decisions facing Congress.
I still have BFRI. I forgot about BFRI.
The first is the debt limit. I cannot overstate how critical it is that Congress.
This one has a PDUFA shit coming out. PDUFA. Fucking love it. PDUFA. I have a 200 share order at 590. It's almost there, Laura. It just hit 597. We'll see if it wants to come back down and test that.
The majority of Americans would suffer financial pain as critical.
That's what I was waiting for, man. I've been waiting for the under the $6 dip.
Military paychecks would
Should have grabbed some contracts though. Fuck.
And that would likely be followed by a deep recession. The second action involves the Build Back Better agenda. I applaud the House for passing the bill, and I'm hopeful.
Yeah, this
that the
BFRI
Senate
one is
will see
clobbering
it
me
follow.
right now, dude. I
Build
bought
Back
like
Better
500
is
shares of
the
this one yesterday.
economic decision for many reasons.
I mean, this one has the possibility for the PDUFA date, though. It has a PDUFA date coming out. PDUFA. Fucking love that word. PDUFA.
These investments we expect will lead.
There's only 82 names up on the S&P right now. What?
Without increasing
Wow.
the national debt or deficit
Ah,
by a
shit,
dollar.
man. What the
Jack
fuck happened?
offsets
Shut up,
and
Janet Yellen. Look what you're doing to the market.
actually reduce annual deficits over time.
Hey, yo, BFRI is coming back up, though. BFRI is trying to make a little pop. I'm on BFRI. You can do it.
And now with this
Get back
bill,
above EWAP, you
we
little
have the
fucker.
chance to ensure
LGVN's
we
bouncing off that
thrive
2313.
in a post-pandemic world. With that, I'm
Very strange to see it dropping, right? I mean, I don't think it helps. We have, we got these fuckers over here talking about economic
Thank you,
shit.
Chairman Brown, Ranking Member Toomey, and other members of the committee for the opportunity.
I don't know who would sell right now. It don't make any sense.
The economy has continued to strengthen. The rise in Delta variant cases temporarily slowed progress this past summer, restraining previously rapid growth in household and business spending, intensifying supply chain disruptions, and in some cases keeping people from returning to work or looking for a job. Fiscal and monetary policy and the healthy financial positions of households and businesses continue.
You smacked his
support
lips.
higher
I heard it.
demand.
Woo, 596 on Requested Therapeutic.
Post-September decline in cases corresponded to a pickup in economic growth, and GDP appears on track to grow about 5% in 2021.
Damn, I should just get rid of all the rest of the LGVN right now. I mean,
As with
still up
overall
about
economic
$11 per
activity,
share.
Conditions in the labor market have continued to improve. The Delta variant
I'll
contributed
wait.
to slower job growth this summer as factors related to the pandemic, such as caregiving needs and fears of the virus, kept some people out of the labor force, despite strong demand for work.
Yeah, I got about like
Nonetheless,
$6,000 in on LG on Requested Therapeutic altogether.
and the unemployment
That's between
rate
contracts and
4.6%,
shares.
indicating a rebound in the pace.
It's actually 6,200.
There is still ground to cover to reach maximum employment for both employment and labor force participation.
It's
And we
good.
expect
Just use this as a good buying opportunity to buy below $6. That's what I've been saying. Anything under $6 is a fucking load it up. Back your truck up and load that bitch up.
Progress. Joblessness continues to fall disproportionately on African Americans and Hispanics. Pandemic-related supply and demand imbalances have contributed to notable price increases in some areas. Supply chain problems have made it difficult for producers to meet strong demand, particularly for goods.
Okay, there it goes.
Increases in energy prices and rents are also pushing.
Oh yeah, rents are really going through the roof, bro.
As a result, overall inflation is running well above our 2% longer run goal, with the PCE price index up 5% over the 12 months ending in October. Most forecasters, including at the Fed, continue to expect that inflation will move down significantly over the next year as supply and demand imbalances abate. It is difficult to predict the persistence and effects of supply constraints that have now
Back above $6. Right there we go. But hey, I mean, we do got a lot of red today over here. I mean, there's a lot of red candles going on here on Requested Therapeutic.
Slack is diminishing and wages are rising at a brisk
No, thank you,
pace.
Fed Pal.
We understand that high inflation imposes significant burdens, especially on those less able to meet the higher costs of essentials like food.
Yeah, I don't know who's selling right now.
We are committed to our price stability goal. We will use our tools both to
It's either they're selling or somebody's buying in right now, causing it to come down a little bit.
higher inflation from becoming entrenched.
You know, like when you buy in, it comes down immediately.
The recent rise in COVID
Somebody could be buying in.
and the emergence of the Omicron variant.
I got another ALOL 320 total average 598. Fuck yeah, Mac Attack. It's a good average, bro. You keep that that average under $6,
Greater
you'll be
concerns
good.
about the virus could reduce
I'm
people's
at $5.99 right now.
which would slow progress in the labor market and intensify supply chain disruptions. To conclude,
yeah, on this account, I have an average of like 572, and then the lowest one I have is at 469. No, never mind. That one's at 460. No, that one's at 472 now. It was at 469.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Secretary Yellen, thank you for your comments about on the debt ceiling. We have 2 more weeks. We know failing to get this done will hurt families and small businesses and our whole economy. I want to ask you about something else, though. The Wall Street Journal reported 2 weeks ago that 2/3 of the largest publicly traded companies had larger profit margins in 2021 than in 2019 before COVID.
Yeah, it don't take much to fuck your average up real quick, huh, Pop?
Made 351 times.
Yeah, I've talked about messing your average up. It don't take much to mess your average up. Your average can get fucked up really quick.
Big corporations refuse to cut their own.
You'll be good though, bro. You'll be good, man. You know, you just keep buying anything under where your average is. That's what the goal is, if possible, or anywhere near it at least.
Housing and medical care and almost everything else for most workers has been rising for years. You've said, Secretary Yellen, you said the bipartisan infrastructure bill and Build Back Better will bring costs down for most Americans. Could you explain that?
Yes, the Build Back Better plan contains
the annual health care conference. Holds several client conferences and events each year focused on agriculture, clean technology, renewable consumer energy, financial services, health care. But they're going to be talking about a lot of shit at the Piper thing.
Which is virtually unaffordable for many American families. There is subsidies
wait a minute.
quality child care that will bring down the cost for the great majority of American families.
QCOM. Whoa, what's QCOM doing?
For 3 and 4-year-olds. Those
QCOM's popping right now.
A child tax credit.
Apple is still running. It's at 164.
Will bring down the cost of
where's Roblo at? Oh, never mind. Yeah, Apple is still taking off.
Burdens, for example, very high rental costs. And
yeah, Qualcomm is really taking off right now.
Additional money that they get through the child tax credit will help them.
Tell you, man, she sounds like Whitey from Adam Sandler's Eight Crazy Nights of Christmas, bro.
As I indicated in my opening remarks, is already helping them put food on the table.
I was watching that shit last night. That's exactly who Janet Yellen sounds like, bro. She sounds like fucking Whitey from that damn movie.
Build Back Better contains support for those who are disabled and the elderly to get care in their homes.
U.S. 10-year Treasury yield hits fresh season low of 1.412%.
Education and for workforce training that will make that more affordable.
She's not even answering the question.
Reductions in the cost.
She just went wide around the whole question. She said, "Nah, bro, we ain't gonna answer that. I'm just gonna hit you with this."
Items in family budgets, ones that have risen more rapidly than the general level of prices over time, and the
I'm surprised the market is not overreacting to what was just said.
Burdensome expenditures.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Secretary, Mr. Chair Paul, is it still your belief that higher prices and
XLNX is moving too. XLNX. That's another one gassing it. Damn, bro, that one's really moving it right now.
So I guess I would say it this way.
Where's Airbnb?
Generally, the higher prices we're seeing.
Airbnb starting to move too a little bit.
Imbalances.
XLF
goes directly back to the pandemic and the reopening of the economy.
XLF starting to pop too.
That price increases.
Ford's popping
more broadly in the recent few months.
Oh, we got a lot of shit popping off right now.
I think the risk of higher inflation has increased.
Thank you.
And there goes Ford's popping it. The market's liking what it's hearing so far. It looks like it.
Controlled by the American people, but stable coins
UVXY is coming back down.
By opaque, secretive technology companies over and over on issue after issue.
QLGN running? Probably, bro. Probably. Oh, my luck. Nah, QLGN ain't running, bro. It's getting clapped. Stop it. It's getting clapped.
I believe that.
Surprised it didn't start running after I sold, you know. Jack Dorsey, Resident, man, that was fucking news from 2 days ago. God damn it! What the hell?
System and could contribute to easier and more efficient payments, but only
That was
if
like
they're
old as
adequately
shit, bro. I don't want to hear
regulated.
the hell, man. They
And,
bringing out news hella late.
working group, that I chair recently issued
Stop it, bro.
report,
That QL, hey, the QLG one, when I knew it was gonna happen because I even called it. I'm like, these fools have done so many offerings, this and that. I'm like, they're gonna end up doing an offering, and then sure enough, the motherfuckers hit me with an offering. So it was cool though, just to throw it out there and let people know, like, hey, mistakes happen. Not all plays are wins. You know what I mean? Not all my plays are wins. Shit, that's for goddamn sure. But, you know, I just mitigate the losses and make sure it's small. It was only like, you know, $400 that I invested in it. I lost, you know, $1 per share. It's not bad. It's not bad. I took a hit, about a 38% hit on the chin. It's all right. It's all right, bro. They can't all be winners. Nah, I can't predict it, but I was just talking about it, and it was funny as hell how it happened after I was talking about it. I couldn't believe it. I was like, these fools have done so many offerings. Watch, they're going to come and do an offering. And sure enough, they did an offering, and we got whacked. It's cool, though. It's good, though. It was good, man. A lot of people got screwed. Hell yeah, a lot of people got screwed. So that's kind of good, you know, I got in on it. That way people can understand how risky the pharmaceutical, therapeutic, biotech, all of them are just fucking risky as shit. Like, even Saba was risky. Like, yeah, Saba paid out, but I mean, you know, motherfuckers got locked in at Saba at $140. That's why it's important to get in these plays before the PDUFA run up, before FDA bullshit, and then, you know, have your seat, have a good average that you're comfortable with, that you won't get screwed in there. Because you know how many people are locked in on Saba over here on the high? A lot. A lot of motherfuckers got locked in up there.
Financial industries uses these same arguments for stable coins.
So yeah, just make sure you're not one to get locked in with a big ass bag. Make sure it's a little bag that you're comfortable with carrying around for a little while. So you know, I don't know how some of those stocks get so much volume, and of course the therapeutic can't even get 1 million. You know what I mean? We can't get no love over here. Nah, we'll get it though. It's coming.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
It's coming for Requested Therapeutic.
Came out. Let me just remind all of us of something that we know very well, and that is
like I said, it's a fairly new company. You know, it's doing pretty good.
Anytime they want, and there's nothing Republicans could do to stop them. The tools have been available to them all year long.
Raise the debt limit.
In fact, Republicans have offered to expedite the process. There is only one reason that our Democratic colleagues refuse to use reconciliation to raise the debt limit. And that is because they would have to specify the amount of debt they want to inflict on the American economy. They
got a point there, Mr. Toomey. You got a point there.
Spending spree they're engaged in by obfuscating and not specifying a dollar amount. I think we should be very clear about what's going on here. Mr. Powell, under the Fed's new flexible average inflation targeting, the inflation target remains at 2%, but now it's on
my guy's got a point there.
Specified time frame. Core PCE,
I'm expecting an uptick in volume by next week. I'm thinking so too, Laura. I'm thinking so too. I'm thinking like, because by next week we'll be like what, 3 weeks basically away from the PDUFA date. So I think so too.
So it's above target.
The PDUFA date.
Above target, and it's accelerating. Yet the Fed is
71.5. Woo! Look at it, it's up at the day's range. It just gassed it right there. Oh yeah, that's looking good over there on Crow. Crow finally was getting away from VWAP on the 1 second chart. Good call over there, Waldo.
How long does inflation have to run above your target before the Fed decides maybe it's not?
Crypto.com's gonna kill it, dude. I've gotten so many people that I've gotten people interested in it. I'm telling them, like, look, the Staples Stadium thing is big. If you really think that Crow's gonna sell off after the Staples Stadium name changes to Crypto.com, I mean, it's possible, but I still don't see it. That's not the kind of news that's gonna sell. I think that's the news that's gonna buy.
Going into this episode, it had been many years since we had inflation.
Ford's moving right now. Ford's going back up.
So I think the word transitory.
Requested Therapeutic still chilling at 601. Might give you another opportunity to buy under $6.
To use it to mean that it won't leave a permanent mark in the form of higher inflation. I think it's probably a good time to retire that word.
That dude straight stumped Fed Powell with that question. Fed Powell was like, well, you know.
it's still extreme.
Wow,
It's just
he actually
extraordinary
got
that
Powell
this
stumped for a
economy
quick
has,
second there.
Since long past recovery, we're in a full-blown expansion. Unemployment's down to 4.6.
I mean, they're talking about stable coins now.
Prices. Housing is leading the way to the point where in many markets, houses are just unaffordable for many people. And yet, the Fed's going to purchase $35 billion in mortgage-backed securities in December alone. And scheduled to continue purchasing mortgage-backed securities for the months.
Yo, man, Toomey don't play. I'm on Toomey don't play.
To reconsider the pace.
Quest Therapeutic back under $6, ladies and gentlemen. It's at $5.99.
I want to follow up on the discussion.
$5.99. I do kind of expect to come back and test this $5.96. Holy shit! What happened right there, bro? Whoa!
Those stable coins that are designed
Whoa! 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 The market didn't like that.
And therefore have the
Holy
potential
shit! Yo, Biogen lost a patent.
means of payment. End quote. End quote. Well, that's
big.
covers every major stable coin that exists right now. And what strikes
Biogen.
me is
Yeah, they lost the patent. That's why they're getting
is that
clapped
the
right now.
Biden's working group
Oh shit! Yeah,
recommendation
Biogen really
that all
got
such
smacked.
stablecoins
Shit, I'm about to. I
required to be
don't even
issued
know what I'm gonna do with
by
Biogen. I got like
depository
50
institutions
shares of Biogen.
But yet, as you know, the mechanism by which the value of the stable coin is maintained relative to a fiat currency, they vary significantly. Some arguably look somewhat like
Shit. Be careful right now. The SPY is at VWAP. It looks like the market might be getting a little bit of volatility back.
The same way and treated as the
Shit. Big tech's probably gonna lead the way down to the downside. So be very, very nimble right now.
To be used as
Yeah, SPY is way under VWAP. Oh shit.
Regardless of how they are used at the outset when they're introduced, and the structure that they espouse, and
Yeah, Amazon's getting clapped right now. A lot of the market's getting just clobbered right now.
They have a stable value relative to a fiat currency. That is really what depository institutions guarantee.
I would just suggest that we really think this through. I think the very
Whoa.
designs suggest
Whoa, what just
that
popped
there might
right
be
now,
different
bro?
regulatory approaches. I'm going to run out of time here, so Mr. Chairman, I just want to note
Yo!
that Pillar 1 of the Biden administration
No way.
international tax agreement will be the most significant
Community health just
transaction
fucking is moving.
100 years. To implement at every one of our bilateral
CYN granted. Wait, that's not the right one. This one just got granted. CYN. Cryogen just got granted some fucking patent.
Secretary Yellen during a recent finance committee.
Cryogen has been granted U.S. patent number 10,905 title vehicle sensor system.
Pillar 1.
Some autonomous vehicle for CYG for
Federal
CYN.
treaty will be needed for
And we got DXP. DXP is popping up there too.
Implementing Pillar 1 would require modifications to our
That dynamic one.
tax treaties, and those
That's not the right one though. What the
must
fuck?
be approved by 2/3 of the Senate. The executive
Where'd it
branch
go?
cannot ignore the Senate
DXY.
on a matter that is clearly our constitutional responsibility. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
No, I don't have that one on here. It won't let me see that one. Fuck you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. First, let me thank Secretary Yellen.
But yeah, Cryogen, they got some patent for some autonomous bullshit.
Last week. Thank you, Madam Secretary. And I learned something there. I always do when I'm with the Secretary. She is the only person that has been chairman of the President's Council on Economic Advisors, chairman of the Federal Reserve.
Quest Therapeutic back at $6.
So thank you, Madam Secretary, for your work. And let me
That sucks for Biogen.
extend my congratulations to you.
I really do like Biogen.
Chairman Powell,
That sucks for
we've
Biogen
seen
over there.
the
Motherfuckers.
job.
Google's getting clapped too right now. God damn, what's going on? God damn it.
Registration rate has remained depressed.
Yeah, Google's getting smacked right now.
Until we get that participation rate up higher, we're gonna have the.
Quest Therapeutic back at $5.98. Back under $6. Let's see if it wants to get back down to $5.96. $5.96. I'm gonna buy more at $5.96.
How do we do that, and what do you think are the causes of this fall off in the participation rate?
Didn't catch the very end of that.
The causes of the fall in the participation rate, and then how do we rectify those causes?
So it's very surprising. Since June of last year, the unemployment rate has dropped 6%.
Here we go. We're talking about unemployment.
And participation has basically moved up to 0.2. It's sort of moved sideways, which was surprising. I think when unemployment insurance, enhanced unemployment insurance ran off, and schools reopened and vaccination came, we all thought there would be a significant increase in labor supply, and it hasn't happened. So you ask why. There's tremendous uncertainty around that, but a big part of it is clearly linked to the ongoing pandemic. People answer surveys.
What are the banks doing right now?
To go back to work, they're reluctant to leave their caregiving responsibilities and go back to work because they feel like
The bank's starting to move up. Yeah, the banks are actually doing good from this.
It's an issue, and I
Banks
think
are actually liking that.
What I'm taking on board is that it's going to take longer to get labor force participation.
Yo, eBay might be a good play. Everybody's been talking about eBay lately.
And
eBay's been popping up all over the
really
place.
it's going to take often labor force participation is a lagging indicator.
Plus, the therapeutic 597 is definitely getting a lot of downward pressure right now.
We're probably on track to have
Not too bad though. I mean, granted, we're only down 1.5% for the day.
we had before the pandemic. We're going to need a long expansion. To get that, we're going to need price stability, and in a sense, the risk of persistent high inflation is also a major risk to getting back to such a labor market.
Thank you.
That'll be nice, Laura. You try a few higher calls on Quest Therapeutic.
For your maximizing the flexibility in the emergency rental assistance program, steps like self-attestation and bulk utility payments have been very
I know, Waldo. That's crazy, right?
One area though,
Woo, banks are starting to move right now. We're getting a lot of action over there. Look at the bonds. Bonds are kind of just chill right there. Damn, TLT's at one. We hit 150, 160 today. Fuck.
Funds can be appropriately used for homelessness.
Yeah, I want to grab some more calls. If it under $6, they're not too bad right now. Under $6.
That's an extremely important area. We're very focused on it, and we'll be happy to
get plenty
work
of time
you
with
on
them.
it. What I can say is that
Yeah, 'cause these ones were worth $4 the other day.
funds can be used to provide so-called housing.
Now you can snake 'em for about
services,
$380.
A range of services to the homeless. To
Yeah, these ones
help
right
them
here, the
find,
750
stable
ones, were going for
shelter.
like what?
Something
Two-
that Treasury did
250 last
kind
week?
of
I wanna say 250.
flexibility that we
So they are like
built
half
into
off
the
right now, a little bit.
guidelines Is ERA statute.
Damn,
requires
$5.95.
eligible,
Well, I gotta buy some more. $5.94.
assistance
Quest Therapeutics at
households
$5.94.
have a so-called
Can we get a $5.93?
accommodation.
We might have $5.93.
Recognizing that would be something that would be challenging for families experiencing homelessness, we created an opportunity for ERA grants.
All right, I grabbed another 100 shares right there at 590. Fuck, it filled me at 596.
Pay your rental
Fuckers.
obligation. So with this letter of
Fill me at 596. 596 is way the hell up here.
easier for the homeless
Whatever.
to be able to secure housing. So those are two forms of flexibility we think will help in.
I'm still expecting 10 plus before the FDA announcement. Maybe we'll get it early too.
Thank you.
I'm thinking so too, Laura, especially with everybody getting all getting jacked up on the PDUFA run-ups.
Final point, Secretary Yellen, this is with the homeowner assistance.
I mean, I've been seeing so many other people talking about PDUFAs and FDA approvals in the past like 3 weeks. I'm like, and I mean, the past 2 weeks, or not even the past week, it's just been going crazy right now. Ever since LG, these other damn biotech ones started running. But yeah, I think we'll probably see that way before the PDUFA date.
It would be very helpful to get them out. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
I mean, it's pretty soon people are just gonna be piling into it. That's why it's, you know, all we gotta do is lock our shares in there, get as many shares as we can because it's such a low float one, and then we'll be good.
For December 15th, that the Treasury faces imminent default.
Let everybody else do the work. Once you know, they get the shares out in the free float. Like, really?
Projected is for when Treasury would run out of headroom to operate.
40 million free on those shares out, and then free floats at 38.06. Oh shit! Spies below VWAP. Wow. Whoa.
And look forward to receiving those projections.
Expect the fear to come back in right now. I think fear is gonna come get pushed into the market real fast right now.
What I said, what I indicated in my most recent letter to Congress.
Yeah, we just gotta lock the shares up on it, and we'll be good to go. Because then they can't, you know, you lock the shares in there and put a ridiculously high limit order on it, so they can't use the shares against the company for the short selling.
but there
whack them over the head. I mean, it might be superstitious, it might not be, you know, working all, but hell, I put a high limit on the order so they can't use it against it to short it. Unless you're on margin, then they can. That's why I try not to use margin. This will move very fast, right, Laura? Once it gets going, like, it's just going to start printing. It's going to get halted left and right. You know what I mean? Like, just get ready for halts. Just get ready for halts to come in here once it starts moving.
$118 billion worth of capacity when
woo, damn. That one's down a lot over there.
Trust funds are invested in government securities, and I didn't say that there is no way.
I do not want to look at that account right now.
We can make it past December 15th.
You know, ROBLO has been just saving my ass over here, though. It's not doing well right now, but I mean, hell, we had 137 today on ROBLO. God damn, Coinbase is getting smacked right now, too. What the fuck?
Uncertainty about where we will be on December 15th, and
it's just getting, it's not even, it's getting whipped right now, okay? Coinbase is just getting beat.
To finance the government. That doesn't mean that there are not also scenarios in which we can, but we think it's important for Congress to recognize that we may not be able to, and therefore to raise the debt ceiling expeditiously.
Well, thank you for that. Thank you for that clarification. Chair Powell.
Yeah, it's gonna move fast. It'll be like wildfire. Woo, man, 593. It's coming real close to the 590. Real close to 590 on a Questa Therapeutic.
Social spending package, and by the way, that number even accepts their budget gimmicks.
Don't panic. Just use these opportunities to buy a little bit, even if it's 1 share, 2 shares. You know.
In spending over the next 10 years. Most of that spending does nothing to ameliorate the problems arising of rising inflation. In fact, will simply add fuel to the inflation fire. I'm very concerned.
Google's coming back down too. Google's getting smacked. The market doesn't like hearing about inflation.
Energy prices is enacting regulatory policies that themselves are threats. Do you agree that inflation is a serious threat to our economy? And how do you intend to address inflation?
AT&T. Someone's talking about AT&T over here, dude. I mean, yeah, AT&T has been getting clapped for the past 15 years. That's why I like AT&T. I want to buy more. God damn, bro. We hit 22s. Fuck. Fuck. You know, that's not a good investment right there on AT&T. I've been losing so much money on AT&T. I just need to stop fucking around with them already.
And you'll see it continue to adapt. You know, we will use our tools to make sure that higher inflation is not coming.
Fucking AT&T is a dirtbag. I don't like it. I'm hopeful one day AT&T is gonna pop though. Oh, it just keeps coming down though.
Yes, I think we can now see certainly through the middle of next year. It's an expectation. You know, we're forecasting is not a perfect art, as you may have noticed.
Damn. Whoa, bro! The SPY just hit another low of the day. The UVXY is moving right now. What is the VIX showing?
What's happened is that data.
Bro, we're back at Friday's levels. You know that, right? That's where we're back at. Or the fear might come back into the market.
And if,
this is where we're, oh shit.
An additional $2 trillion
Son of a bitch.
in spending.
Questa Therapeutic may come down more. That 590 might be coming up pretty fast.
Senator, I'm sorry.
Shit. 592.
Just note that we have a long-standing policy of not commenting.
Right back at the 22-day moving average. That's good though. That's good. We want it at the 22-day moving average. We'll use the 22-day moving average as some solid support. We'll build a bounce off there. I highly doubt we'll come down and see the 152-day moving average. I mean, that's very highly unlikely. 22-day, this is looking very bullish. It's looking good.
When can we expect the Fed's report, and are there reasons?
Just have cash on the side ready to go, right? That's it. We just got to have cash on the side ready to go. That's the number one important. Oh my fucking God, 589. There we go. I got to. Hang on. I got Thinkorswim up.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, I got Thinkorswim up over here. Hang on. Come on. That's why I hate using the computer, because the computer takes so long to put in some fucking trades. I swear to God. On the phone, it's like, bam, done. On the phone, it's bam, done. All right, there we go. I just grabbed another 300 shares. Fuck, I got to buy more.
Activities, particularly during the pandemic, which included both extensive use of 13.3 facilities and
How many will they let me buy right now?
Actually helped stave off
1,400?
complete economic meltdown. And while we did spend in excess of $5 trillion, mostly all in an extraordinarily bipartisan way under both President Trump and President Biden on recovery from COVID. I think history will treat those actions
how many did I buy?
Excessive, but I think net from the historical perspective, it'll be well regarded both for the American economy and for the world's economy. But I think, as you indicated, Chair Powell, I think we're seeing our economy come back.
That actually didn't mess my average up too bad. My average only jumped up another fucking.
That's part of our job. But I have.
Wait, what? My average is only 472 now.
November meeting that the Fed
it only went up 3 pennies?
Announcing.
I could have sworn it was going to go up a lot more than 3 pennies.
Means you've used, and announcing a
damn, 588. It's still coming down some. Oh, all right. I was going to buy the 588. I grabbed the shitload at that fucking. God damn.
Which factors most
I got about 2,000 shares of Aquesta Therapeutic now. Just on Thinkorswim.
How long do you think it'll take the Fed to gradually wind down these purchases?
So we actually haven't made a decision on that.
Wait, did I get Phil right? Am I reading that right?
Data, particularly since the November FOMC meeting, show elevated inflation pressures, a rapid improvement in many labor market indicators without an accompanying
you get
of labor
hang on.
and also strong spending that really signals growth, significant growth in coming months. Remember that every dollar of asset purchases actually adds
wait a minute.
to the economy. But at this point, the economy is very strong.
1 second here.
Pressures are high.
Did he just give a?
For appropriate, in my view, to consider wrapping up the taper of our asset.
Yo, he just gave a timeline.
At the November meeting.
He just said wrapping up the tapering. He's sooner than. Oh shit! All right, that might affect the market right there. Fed Powell just said they're considering tapering sooner. Considering basically means it's on his mind. He's going to do it. We'll see what the market's going to take that.
Let me drill down a little bit. I mean, clearly.
Oh, now he wants. This guy wants clarification. He wants to know what are the markers we're going to be looking for. Holy shit! TLT just got clapped. Damn.
Folks, re-enter the labor force. I believe that.
Well, that's great.
Can kind of serve as an insurance policy. If you don't see this return.
Yeah, TLT just got clapped. Amazon just got clapped. The whole market just went fucking switched up gears on us right now. Oh my God, it hurts.
Move more aggressively on this tapering. I also would like to just touch
there we go. Well, if you're wondering what just happened and why the market just sold off, well, because Fed Powell just gave confirmation on tapering and when he's going to stop buying bonds. He basically confirmed it. So, fuck. This is a very, very key level right here where we're at right now on the SPY. Like, if the SPY is not able to get some support here, it could just break apart right now.
You're going to look at to determine how that might influence Fed activity.
So
yeah, if we below, like 455, that's where you want to panic. 455, that's panic mode.
Existing vaccines to address any new variant. And it's about the severity of the disease.
I mean, 465 might be panic mode. Damn, that's crazy, dude. That accelerated fast.
What I'm told by experts is it will know quite a bit about those answers within about a month.
Yeah, that accelerated very fast.
And then and only then can we make an assessment of what
that was pretty fun right there.
As I pointed out,
market's still good. I mean, hell, it needs to get some footing right there where the SPY is right now.
To the baseline, it's not really baked into our forecast.
Yeah, UVXY is going for $20. That's big. 458 on the fucking SPY, like. Whew, only 24 stocks on the S&P are up out of 500. Everything's red right now. UVXY is bad. Damn. They can't shut anything down again. Well, they're talking about a government shutdown again, unless they get this the debt ceiling higher. Like, there's a lot of stuff coming out this week. Like, all this is coming out. It's just economic data that's kind of freaking the market out. I mean, you have the COVID fears and shit like that. I think it's all overreaction at the end of the day. I think this is just an opportunity to buy more. I mean, hell, unless you think the world's gonna end tomorrow, then sell everything and do something else.
Take this partially for the record since I've gone over on how we might even be able to look at securitization.
But yeah, I think this is all just overreaction.
So that we can again increase the liquidity of these institutions.
All just overreaction. That's what I was waiting for, though. I wanted to hear what Fed Powell was going to say about tapering, when, and give us a date. And he basically said it's going to be happening very, very soon.
Work with you to discuss possibilities.
Look at this
there.
fucking lady right here.
I think that the infusion of funds into
If the
city
SPY
bonds
prints
and
457,
NDRs
that's
is
panic mode right there.
historic.
That's
It's
the time to
going
freak
make
out.
a tremendous difference to their ability
Damn, even the VIX is
to,
going for it too.
support
Damn.
businesses,
That was wild, huh? That accelerated fast.
minority
Woo! This is a November for the books. Never in my life have I seen a November like this. I'm like, yeah, usually, historically, you know, November's usually a 5% gainer. Fuck yeah, right, my ass. I mean, we still got, what, another day left this month? We still got another day left this month, so we'll see. Anything can fucking happen. Anything can happen. Never mind, this is the last day of November, my bad. Gosh, it's been crazy busy recently, and even more than the usual holidays, running out of a lot of items, right? They have been. We need more workers. No way they will do another shutdown. Nah, I don't think so. They'll raise the debt ceiling on it.
Rounds from South Dakota is recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. First of all, Chairman Powell, congratulations on your renomination. I do look forward to...
Well, the shutdown was actually keeping the Feds buying the bonds. The reason why the market's freaking out is because they're tapering. They're not going to be buying bonds no more.
Thank you for your service to our country. In September...
That's why everybody was piling into TLT. That's why TLT is where TLT is right now, is because they were piling into it, buying the shit out of it. They were, you know, supporting it up.
That debt becomes an issue when it exceeds 100% of GDP, a level...
Man, damn. Woo! 586, huh?
I said also that since the cost of servicing our debt has been...
586 on Aggressive Therapeutic.
Our debt has been less burdensome. However, due to...
That accelerated very, very fast.
I think it's just a matter of time before we exit this very low interest rate environment.
I mean, but like I said, we are right here at the 22-day moving average, which is a very key level of support. It will most likely bounce off of that 22, because I mean, I doubt the 52 will test that. I mean, especially with the PDUFA date coming up. I mean, it's just overreaction. Just wait for December to get going. Damn, bro, we just hit another low today. Woo! 582, huh? 582. God damn. I'm over here saying we won't make that. I mean, I doubt we'll hit that moving average, but fuck. Let me see, where's the SPY at? 458. The only one really holding up right now is Apple, dude.
Fiscal plans that the Biden administration have put forth in...
If we blow, I mean, fuck, bro, that's getting intense on the SPY. If we break below 458 or 457, that's the low from last Friday, and it looks like it's gonna happen, dude. The market is gonna fucking flip out. Mass panic is about to happen. We're gonna touch 457.
Particularly from the investment.
Oh shit! It's coming close, bro. It's coming close. God damn. 458. 450. It's getting real close. I bet you anything it's gonna come down and maybe. Oh shit! It just hit 457. Is it gonna test the 457 and skyrocket? I hope so. I mean, hell, we still. Damn, bro. Fuck, the VIX just jumped up another $1. What?
During a 10-year time period, as
the VIX is moving right now, dude. 457.50, 457.60. There we go. Come on, come on. It hit the 457. Is it? That's big though. That's big. It might bounce here. If it bounces here, this is a whole nother level. I mean, you do realize we were below last Friday.
2% over the last couple of days. But
this was Friday. We were below the fucking Omnicore coronavirus fears. Like, that's big, bro. That's big. 457.58.
reasonable expectation.
Okay, all right.
The
450.
forecasts,
Shit.
that
I don't even want to look at it no more.
included
Turn it
most
off.
recently
Turn it
in the
off.
mid-session
He's bringing everything down with it, dude.
assumed that
Fuck,
interest
man. We
rates
hit 580 on
would
Aquesta Therapeutic.
over time over the 10 years
I should have just
allotted.
waited a couple more minutes, bro. I should have just waited.
The
Just a couple more minutes. That'd have been cool. Fuck, I gotta buy some more.
and other private
Oh, I
sector
gotta buy some more. Yeah,
forecasters.
fucking bullshit.
And even then,
I need to buy some other things, though.
given the expectation
Nah, I'm gonna wait.
that real interest rates are likely to remain
Don't do anything rash.
low
Remember how I was saying?
below
Just don't do anything,
levels
panic.
that
Don't do
were
anything,
for, much
unexpected.
of
Just
the
take a deep
post-war
breath and relax.
period
We'll be alright,
for important structural
That was
reasons
intense, though, dude.
that, we've seen,
457, 21.
plentiful
Damn.
savings at the global level.
I mean,
and
we're
with
lower than
investment
fucking last
demand,
Friday. That's wild.
Even with interest rates moving
I have
up,
another order at
the interest
560.
burden of the debt,
That's good.
remains
VIX is at
quite
26.18.
manageable. Of course,
UVXY.
there are
If the
scenarios
UVXY
in
hits
which
$20,
interest rates
shit
could
is gonna
move up
accelerate
more than
very,
that.
very
And,
fast.
We could be in a position, there's a chance that the interest burden would become difficult for us to manage.
It's looking like, woo, man, 457.14, dude. If it breaks through 457, then that's a wrap. Shit's gonna start freaking out.
I recognize, and you've been very consistent, that
I don't even know, bro. It looks like it's gonna. Oh shit, it's going red again. This is gonna accelerate very, very fast.
Goal. But does the Fed take into account the impacts on national debt servicing and our creditworthiness?
Come on, little spy, keep it together. Keep it together.
I think certainly the cost of
Oh, bro,
It all-
that's
it all
wild,
goes
bro.
into
Where we at on the Aquesta Therapeutics? 5. Okay. There we go. All right, we got a big handle in there.
baked into
Are we okay now?
treasuries at this time, and I wouldn't expect that there would be, certainly in the foreseeable future.
When you look at this, do you project?
This
that,
is based off of the news that the Fed's gonna start
treasuries will
tapering.
rise over the next 18
This could set up for a snowball effect
Generally,
where everybody
That's
will
something
fuck.
that,
I mean,
staff has been forecasting ever since I got to the
Powell
Fed.
did say a few things about tapering,
You know, it really
but
hasn't
other
happened.
than
What's
that,
happened is that,
it's just the fact that prices are lower than where they were at last Friday because of the Omnicore COVID fears.
Forces that are leading to lower
Everyone, please
sustained
buy
interest
Prague
rates
now.
along the
Opportunity
way.
of a lifetime.
It's very hard to say, but for now, we.
All right, there we go. Back up at 458. Woo, man, that got fucking intensified right there real quick on the SPY, bro. That shit was wild. Let me go back and look at Prague. I think we might be good. We might be good, though. We might be good. Oh, yeah, Prague's at 321.
Thank you for your answers.
We might be good. We might be good.
New Jersey's recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
All right, we're coming back up. We're coming back up. We might be all right. The market might be okay. We might, that was just a little test everybody out. Make sure we, everybody has their long terms in line.
7% of their income.
Maybe. I don't think we're out of the clear yet, though. We are definitely not out of the clear yet. I mean, because we are still lower than last Friday.
Services improve the labor force participation rate and overall economic outcomes among women.
Hey, puts on the SPY, on the VIX,
Senator, I
puts on the
believe
VIX,
we
maybe.
will Succeed in having that
The
impact.
VIX should come back down to $15. You want to short something? I might have to short the VIX.
Especially of women in the United States is now lower than that in many developed countries.
Yeah, there's
Once
no
upon a
data
time
here. They're not
we
even
were
loading.
later. Now we've fallen behind, and a major difference between the United States and other developed countries is our support for childcare, paid leave, things that enable women to participate
Fuck yeah.
in the labor market.
All right, there we go.
And so
Come on,
I
Spy, get
believe
back up
the
there. All right, it
provisions,
is
the
8:05. Let's
subsidized
see where we at. Puts on the
and
VIX. Come on, we need green.
universal, 2 years
You know,
free
that's what I'm
trade.
saying.
Both of those
Puts on the
things
VIX,
will
bro. We gotta short that motherfucker.
enhance labor force participation. There are a number of studies that show that the Treasury Office of Economic Policy
Whew,
recently
damn, them
issued
motherfuckers are
a
expensive, bro. They're talking about
summary of the evidence, and recently the
$578. No.
Budget Office, in assessing Build Back Better.
Damn, bro. We're at
issued a
47.45.
statement that indicated that this was likely to boost labor force participation.
Where's fucking where's Roblo? Damn, Roblo came all the way back. Let's see what the premium looks like, though. Let's see what the premium. Did the premium get clapped? They were worth 33.
Another study found that one major city started offering 2 years of free.
Now, once this starts to accelerate back up to the other side, the premium's gonna get clapped over here on fucking Roblo until it stabilizes. Because they were just worth 33. And I mean, how did it not really drop that much? No, we'll see right now. You'll see on the premium it's gonna get clipped.
This is the effect.
Quest Therapeutic back at 590. Let's see what's the SPY doing. What's the SPY doing? Ah, shit. SPY's got more red coming in, bro, and the VIX is still moving.
As their white peers to report that they are unable to look for work because they can't find.
It'd be better out putting puts on the UVXY.
That the currently broken child care system is especially harmful, particularly to the most vulnerable members of
Oh yeah, bro. It's crazy, huh? That was pretty intense right there, huh? Shit accelerated pretty fast to the downside.
And several of our Senate colleagues asking you to work.
Crazy how a couple old people talking on TV can fucking, you know, make the market freak out like this.
Find and select diverse candidates for the
Wow.
open president's position. We haven't had Hispanic in this role. Can you give us an update on how that search is going, including what specific steps you've taken to ensure?
All right, well, I gotta shut it down, take off to work. It's already 8:07. I hope everybody's having a fantastic morning. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll catch you on Power Hour. Pop, Alan, Laura, Waldo, you guys take care of yourself. Don't make any rash decisions. This is just overreaction. We already know, you know, it ain't the end of the world. We're good right now. Just, you know, we got Fed Powell talk about tapering. We already knew it was going to come. It just, you know, now he confirmed it. But I'll catch you guys on the next stream. I'm out.